No base station? Weak differential signals? DJI Terra POS calculation, adapted for all scenarios. First, data import. Create a LiDAR Point Cloud project, click Select Folder to add data, and click the settings icon next to POS calculation. You can choose Data POS, Local PPK to perform the POS calculation. Data POS. During a flight mission, Zenmuse L3 receives satellite observation data from the base station and stores it as an RTB file. By selecting Data POS for calculation, you can use this RTB file as the base station data to perform the POS calculation. It is suitable for environments with stable RTK signals, supporting positioning services from D-RTK3 or network RTK. Local PPK. During a Zenmuse L3 flight mission, by setting up a D-RTK base station on a known point and recording satellite observation data, you can import the PPK base station file and LiDAR data into DJI Terra to run a local PPK calculation, obtaining high-precision POS data. This requires no network RTK signal and no real-time connection between the drone and base station, offering wider applicability. Second, pre-calculation possible results and troubleshooting. 1. All datasets have been covered. The pre-calculation succeeded, the data and parameters are correct, and the calculation accuracy meets the standard. 2. Not all datasets have been covered. This indicates a minor anomaly, usually caused by satellite signal blockage or data desynchronization. Simply check for obscured areas and verify the time coverage. 3. Calculation failed. This indicates issues in imported data. Please focus on checking the data integrity, the base station file format, and center point coordinates. Like and subscribe, and join us next time to learn about the flight trajectory clipping feature.